Yeah, I think they wanna know me, I'm a roachie. Playing roll hard and they all wanna know me. Look, man, they know me, I'm a motherfucking homie. They make you hating me, I'm hating you. Look, man, guess what the fuck I do? I'm playing roll hard, they know about me like you, bro, soft.
No, you can put your shirt on.
Nope. Look, still being hardcore, and y'all other dudes roll sophomore. Y'all don't know. I'm talking about me. Look, man, don't know me. Look, I'm a J. Doing me. And they haven't heard about me. I think they need to know me. Look me, I'll be the fucking homie. Uh-oh, a roadblock fuck up. So I guess we gon' fuck up. But if she really wanna be with me, like she wanna know the deal. See, I have more than one guts. People in the bar, fucking on my, yeah, you know. What the is that? I'm the talking about me on the killer. But I'm like legally grown man. But guess what? Even though I'm like weird, they're calling me baby. Ain't that crazy? I'm a grown man, but they call me baby. They know about me. I can't rap. It's too long gone. But let's start like she can't talk to a long call. Look at me doing my thing. I don't wanna talking to me. Look, I'm being roll hard of a color like man. I will kill the nigga, I'm on the truck and they don't know about me like mine need to know about me. Bang roll hard, you roll soft. Look, I'm bang too hard and I'm bang too stupid. Make love on sunlight Cupid. Get rid of her.